Yeah, it's going to be tricky. I'll try. So I've been working a lot to use Earth observation and AI for wildfire monitoring and also environmental impact. This is the first, linkage with the health side. So I'll try. So as you know, we are facing triple planetary crisis that includes climate change and air pollution waste. Due to climate change, wildfires has increased in intensity, frequency, and duration. Last year, Canada had over 6,000 wildfires, burned over 18 million hectares, and causing devastating impact. On the right, you see it's an application developed by us, the KTH team, for near real-time wildfire progression monitoring using Sentinel-1, Sentinel-2 Landsat data. So wildfire has, produce a lot of CO2 emission and also affect air quality. So this is a daily animation for month of June for Canadian wildfire. You can see the wildfire smoke also went to Europe as demonstrated by ESA yesterday during the visit. 130 million plus people were affected by the smoke. So, and also Sentinel-5P can measure not only CO and also aerosol and NO2 and other emissions. So this is a monthly average we produce using Google's engine. So wildfires and pollution, people have been exposed to many smoke days, and I don't have the example from Canada, but this is the US. It's been increasing in recent years. So what are the health effects? And I digged into PubMed. My husband has this linkage. He's a cardiologist. So I look at, and there's many publications. So the obvious one is respiratory, asthma, and allergies. Then cardiovascular health, and the previous speaker also demonstrated, Enrico. So increased risk in cardiovascular illness and other hospital cardiac arrests. So even the, the circulation, the main journal of cardiology asking for protect cardiovascular health. And there are others, cancer, brain tumor, etc., and also vulnerable population, young, old, and pregnant women. And so there are many effects. So what are the gaps and challenges in terms of wildfire exposure and health? Wildfire smoke composition is very complex and dynamic. It's difficult to characterize and model, so that we need EO here. And limited availability of air quality data, because there's point data on the ground, inconsistent in air quality reporting from different regions. And satellite-based estimation, for example, with Sentinel-5P, it's a 5 kilometer by 3 kilometer resolution. It's a lower spatial resolution. And also smoke exposure and health impact studies, limited information, spatial distribution, among others. So yeah, I'll go to how can EO help filling the gaps. We have near real-time satellite images, on a daily basis and every 2 or 3 days. We can measure the burn area, burn severity, and link that to improve the cost resolution, satellite monitoring, and estimation, and also integrate ground-based sensors and crowdsourced data. And early warning using integration of multi-sensor data, and also better link between air pollution data derived from satellite data with epidemiological modeling. And last but not least is really to improve the analysis for the vulnerable population. Thank you very much.